Happy birthday, dear Matthew. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow out, blow. Go ahead, blow out. Want me to help? Go ahead. Happy birthday, sweetie. We'll take these candles out, okay? And this one you keep, because this says...
I think Leonard's dying to eat that cake more than he is.
That says 2 years old. That's how old Matthew is. Okay? Oh, okay, you can take them out. There we go.
And
Get over there, Mama.
like that. Or like that.
Go ahead.
Oh, boy, is that good? Mmm, yummy, yummy.
And it's yummy.
Yeah.
Or like that.
Okay, well, tell you what. Why don't we cut a piece, okay? And you can look at all you want.
Get over there. I want to take a picture.
Well, so when we sit down after. Wait, that's enough for him for taking. Then we take it up.
Okay? Okay, you put your hand on it. Okay, you hold it. Hold it. Mommy will help you. Okay? You go like this. You go. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go.
Oh.
Bungee. The bungee.
Is it spongy? It's good, huh?
The happy birthday.
That's happy birthday, Matthew.
That's just for you.
Double.
It's just for you.
What's that?
Oh, that's delicious. Yum, yum, yum.
Matthew, get the first piece.
On the there.
Oh, boy. Look at that.
This is just for Matthew.
A tummy and tummy.
There you go.
Where's that gonna go, in the tummy? Okay, Nana, you sit down too. Want to put this on him?
Okay,
Want to put the bib on?
And I think you love pictures. Anthony, while I'm doing this, don't take any pictures, please. How long does this usually take, Julie?
Well, it's got a lot of coffee in it. It's got a lot in it. Why?
Well, I mean, is there a light that goes on? Or
No, it just stops perking.
Oh, all right.
You won't hear it anymore.
Oh.
Why, you want some now?
Yeah, I thought it would be nice to have a little cake.
Oh yeah, well, it'll stop in a minute.
What's the noise?
That's the coffee brewing. Do you like your cake, Matthew? Is it good?
The happy birthday there.
That's right. That's Matthew's happy birthday cake. And you're how old?
3
3, 4 pounds? Ew, you put on 3, 4 pounds after that cake. Yeah, you are. You're 2 years old. Okay. We'll take the paper off.
Who's that?
Oh, that's a little boy. Look what it is, Matthew. Look. It's a doctor's kit. Look, it's just like the doctor.
Oh, you can be Dr. Holger.
Yeah, you got your, remember the stethoscope that she has? Remember? You know how she listens to your heart? This is just like her.
Where'd he go?
Okay. That you check your blood pressure.
Like Michael. Like Michael.
You noticed right away.
Right away.
That's just like Michael's. That's right.
Face the baby the other way so he takes a picture of him. And then he'll remember himself when he was that young.
Just like Michael's. You want this for now?
Who's that like, Matthew? That like Michael?
That's right. Oh, that one he's in a hurry for.
He oughta. Cost enough.
Yeah, I know that thing, yeah. That's a radio with a microphone. Michael has one just like it. He was playing with it all day long over there.
Oh, look at that.
What? That's a siren. See the little men? They go in here. And they go in here. And the little doggy can sit in there too. And that's the fire hydrant.
Oh my God, Anthony, you're taking pictures.
Wow. Say thank you, Nana. Good boy.
Wasn't in drive.
We call it it was a dining room, but it was, you know, like that, what do they call it? Straw thing. They have a name for it. It's a couch and the chairs and, it's a regular living room set. We used to have it. Oh God, I can't think of that name now. What?
No, I can't think of
You
it.
know what? The chairs, some of them are made with straw. You know.
Oh, yes, I know what you mean.
Wicker.
That's the one. And so I get my mother be at work, because my mother died when I was 10, so I mean, say that was 2 years before my mother died. So I'd invite all the little kids, because it was my cousin, we'd have tea parties, and we'd get all the dolls, and we'd put them in that. She had a little round table. One time we burnt the top of the table, we had spilled something, because we used to heat up.
Oh, you
We
did?
used to heat up the water and everything. 8 years old, I was a terror. I'm telling you, I was a terror. So, and we'd have fun, and I'll never forget that doll. And every time I go see that son, I tell her, I says, I always remember the doll you bought me.
I know, some things you just don't forget. You want to get down? That's it. That's it for the gift, son. Oh,
Yeah, I think I could. Yeah, I think
You'll
I
have to
don't know.
bring the cup out there.
Yeah, I think it's better to bring the cup.
Look at
I think that's mine, and I'm not sure if that's cup, because this is Julie's.
Yeah. You want to sit back up here?
Why don't you give Julie a fresh cup, hot cup?
No, that's okay. Oh, all right. You can get down. I'm used to drinking it cold.
Yeah.
By the time I get to it, it's... I guess you just wanted that extra ounce and a half,
Yeah, that's it, Julie.
Big Mama.
Look at your face, Matthew. Show Mommy.
Okay, put it in your mouth now. Eat it. Mmm. That's good.
Don't eat that part. Just the other little piece.
Isn't it easier to just stick your finger in there and look at?
Well, don't teach them bad habits.
I think you're going to turn around so we can take the other.
No, just eat that piece, honey. See, we gotta save the other piece.
No.
Careful, honey. You might drop it.